Good morning, everyone. We have another table build this week. Not just one, have like 3. We'll see. We'll get one done. We'll get one recorded, maybe. I already started making my cuts. So, just thought I'd hop on here and catch you up. So, got my top cuts done. Not really. I have 2 more that need to be done, but my workbench is only half the size right now, so we're just doing half the table and doing the other half in a second. And then getting a phone call. So it is the end of the first day of me working on this table. Oh my gosh. It looks like the end of the day. Oh my God. So at the end of this night, I had gotten majority of the tabletop glued up. I like to break it up into pieces because my workbench just isn't that big. So I want to have good control over the glue up. I do still need to do the end pieces, so I'm going to cut down each end and then put one final board going the opposite direction. All right, for real though, good morning, everyone. I am on day 2 of a table build. I'm about to put the end pieces on this glue up, and then hopefully cut the apron for it. Table legs should be coming in the next day or 2, and customer is picking up this weekend. So yet again, skirting in right at the end of the deadline in true Anna fashion. Whenever I see people in public with a open mug, I either think they're like truly got their life together to where they think they can walk around with a mug and not spill it or drop it, or I think they're a psychopath. So let me know. What do you guys think? Am I being reckless having a glass mug in my open shop? Just taking off my clamps from the glue up last night before I move on to cutting up my edges. But of course, most importantly, before moving on to my cuts, I decided to take a nice little coffee break because it is freezing outside. Then I'm going to move on to marking up my boards and cleaning up the edges like I had mentioned before with my circular saw. Also, before I talk about this, if you do see my outfit today, I have my overalls underneath. It is freezing here, and it's only October, so in my head it should be hot still, but whatever. Okay, that's beside the matter. So I want your guys' opinion. I'm new into woodworking in the sense that I only truly started building for customers maybe a year ago. Building for longer, but only with pine. So this is my first few months really getting into hardwoods. And I'm gonna be honest, I ordered red oak, and it's different in my opinion from the last time I ordered red oak. So let me turn this around and show you guys. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So this is apparently red oak. That's what I ordered. But the last time I got red oak, it looked like this. And to me, it's very, the green patterns are very different. But also, so it says red oak here, but on this one, it says hard maple. And I feel like maybe I have hard maple. I don't know. You guys tell me below in the comments what you think this is. Last but not least, you will be seeing me cut up my apron pieces, as well as some extra supports to go across the bottom of the table. So I've probably mentioned this before, but I've been getting a lot of orders, so I'm trying to rearrange how I do my workflow. Before it was, building one table from beginning to end, but I'm finding myself needing to just go ahead and make these types of cuts for as many tables as possible. If anyone has experience with, a growing business, woodworking business specifically, where, it's just not enough time for one person to build all of them, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments on a better work system. Alrighty, so moving along on this project, just got to cut up the top and assemble the base. I already have the supports cut, so
It was in this moment that she realized she had much work to be done.
actually think I have more work than I realized. Classic once again. So getting straight to it, and hopefully there's no drama with this one. All right. Alrighty. My favorite part, the legs. These legs are awesome. I've been using them for a lot of projects lately. Look how pretty those are. I'll pull them out so that you guys can see all of them. Guys, we did it! Another table completed. So enjoy the beauty shots.